Hello, Thrustmaster. I have a problem with my T818. It won't start. It doesn't say a serial number. I will power it down. Now it's powered down. And I will wait 10 seconds. 8, 9, 10. I will start powering up. It flashes. Nothing happens. So I guess there's something broken about the T818. I bought it in March this year. So please let me know how to fix this. Thank you.